Okay. Well, I haven't been on here for a long time. I don't know. I've had a rough time lately. I feel alone. I feel like everything's falling apart all at once. I don't know what to do anymore. I want to give up. I've been sucking in school lately. Been giving up in school. I don't know. Have you ever felt alone? Like nobody was there, even though a lot of people are. They're sitting inside, but you just want to give up. You feel insecure. You don't want things to go good because you know you've been through worse, and you're afraid of it turning out something it's not. That's how I feel. I guess people don't understand because they haven't lived what I've been through. I don't know what to do. I want to cry all the time. I want to just be alone a lot. Like, people say it's because, you know, I don't know, they tell me to suck it out. They tell me to ignore it, but how can I? It's hard. It really is. I don't know what to do. But I won't give up. I'll try so hard to. Sorry if I cry. I'm just not gonna give up and try so hard. I'm not gonna let people down on me. Not anymore. But yeah. I just want to say hi, guys. Bye.